Welcome back. In the previous video, we learned how to reflect a point in the line y is equal to ax, and we used what we learned to solve the first part of this question, that is finding the image of the point A with coordinates 4, 2 when it is reflected in the line y is equal to 2x. In this video, we are going to solve the second and third part of this question. So let's begin with the second part of the question. Find the image of the point B with coordinates 3, -6 when reflected in the line y plus 3x is equal to 0. From the previous video, we learned that when we reflect a point in the line y is equal to ax, the rule of the transformation is xy maps to 1 divided by ay as the x coordinate, then ax as the y coordinate. So to find the rule of the transformation when we reflect the point B in the line y plus 3x is equal to 0, we have to find the value of A, then we substitute that value of A into what we have here. To get that value of A, we are going to compare the equation of the line given to us, which is y plus 3x is equal to 0, to y is equal to ax. Now, before we can compare them, we have to make sure that they are all arranged in the same order. So we have y is equal to ax here. But what we have here is y plus 3x is equal to 0. So I'm going to send 3x to the right-hand side. Now, when I send 3x to the right-hand side, I'm going to have y is equal to minus 3x. Both of them are now arranged in the same order, so we can compare them for the value of a. Now, when we compare, we can see that a will give us minus 3 because we have y is equal to ax and we have y is equal to minus 3x. So a is giving us minus 3. We now have the value of a, so we are going to substitute it into what we have here. Now, when we do that, we are going to have xy maps to 1 divided by minus 3y, which is the same as minus 1 divided by 3y. Then when we substitute a here, we are going to have minus 3x. So this means that when we reflect a point in the line y is equal to minus 3x or the line y plus 3x is equal to 0, the rule of the transformation will be xy maps to minus 1 divided by 3y as the x coordinate, then minus 3x as the y coordinate. We can now use this rule to find the image of the point B with coordinates 3, -6 when it is reflected in the line y plus 3x is equal to 0. So when the point B with coordinates 3, -6 is reflected in the line y plus 3x equal to 0, the image of B, which will give us B prime, will be minus 1 divided by 3 times y. The y here is the y coordinate of the point. The y coordinate of the point is minus 6. So we have minus 1 divided by 3 times minus 6, and that will give us the x coordinate of the image. The y coordinate of the image is minus 3x. The x here is the x coordinate of the point. The x coordinate of the point is 3. So we have minus 3 times 3. Minus 1 divided by 3 times minus 6 will give us 2. Minus 3 times 3 will give us minus 9. So when we reflect the point B with coordinates 3, -6 in the line y plus 3x is equal to 0, the image of B, which is B prime, will have the coordinates 2, -9. Let's consider the next question. Find the image of the point C with coordinates -1, -8 when it is reflected in the line y is equal to -1 divided by 2x. From the previous video, we have learned that when we reflect a point in the line y is equal to ax, the rule of the transformation is xy maps to 1 divided by ay as the x coordinate, then ax as the y coordinate. So to get the rule of the transformation when we reflect a point in a line y is equal to -1 divided by 2x, we have to find the value of a, then we substitute that value of a into what we have here to get the rule of the transformation. Now to get that value of a, we will have to compare the equation of the line given to us, which is y is equal to minus 1 divided by 2x, to y is equal to ax. They are all arranged in the same order, so we can easily compare them. So we have y is equal to ax, and the equation of the line given to us is y is equal to minus 1 divided by 2x. So when we compare, we can easily see that a will give us minus 1 divided by 2, because we have y is equal to ax and we have y is equal to minus 1 divided by 2x. So a is minus half. We now have the value of a. So what we do is that we will substitute the value of a into this. Now when we do that, we are going to have 1 divided by minus 1 divided by 2. So we have 1 divided by minus 1 divided by 2. From the videos on fractions, we learned that this will be 1 times minus 2 divided by 1. So you change the division sign to multiplication, then you reciprocate the fraction here. So we have 1 times minus 2 divided by 1, and 1 times minus 2 divided by 1 will give us minus 2. So 1 divided by minus 1 divided by 2, or 1 divided by minus half, will give us minus 2. So what we have here will be minus 2y. A is minus 1 divided by 2, so we have minus 1 divided by 2x. So this means that under a reflection in the line y is equal to minus 1 divided by 2x, the rule of the transformation is xy maps to minus 2y at the x coordinate, then minus 1 divided by 2x as the y coordinate. We can now use this rule to find the image of the point C. The point C has the coordinates minus 1, minus 8. Now when this point C is reflected in the line y is equal to minus 1 divided by 2x, the image of C, which is C prime, will be minus 2y. The y here is the y coordinate of the point, which is minus 8. So we have minus 2 times minus 8. And that will give us the s coordinate of the image. The y coordinate of the image is minus 1 divided by 2x. The x here is the s coordinate of the point, and that s coordinate is minus 1. So we have minus 1 divided by 2, or minus half, times minus 1. Minus 2 times minus 8 will give us 16. Minus half times minus 1 will give us half. So it means that when we reflect the point C with coordinates minus 1, minus 8 in the line y is equal to minus 1 divided by 2x, the image of C, which is C prime, will have the coordinates 16, half. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. We have now learned how to reflect a point in a line y is equal to ax. In the next video, we are going to learn how to reflect a point in a line y is equal to x. Bye-bye.